as you can see, I have managed to tweak the voltage using a variable resistor, test out the value of the resistance, and find something to go in between the small little motor. I think that should work fine, but in the time being, I still have a couple of smaller voltage motor that I like to try out. I think the value that I'm getting at about 3000 rpm is about 1.2 volts, if I'm not mistaken. That's the value that I'll be looking for. As shown in here, it's on volt now. Sorry, it's on volt now. So I'll give it a spin. So for now, I'm going to log down every fraction, every thousandth of the RPM reading versus the voltage generated. So just to check if the amperage generated does anything to the meter reading, I'll set up for another try. So looking at the value of the meter, that is the resistance value in ohms. So I hope you can get it. So this is what my setup will be. I'll be looking for something like a 60 ohm if I were to use this motor, but I'll have a few more motors to go, so I'll get something much nearer. Here goes my first try. I just want to find out the value of the voltage versus the value of registered amount of RPM registered. So here goes the test try for every 1000 RPM. So I think by the look of the test, half a volt for 1000, and the increment doesn't is not a linear increment. It's about half, 1.3, and it's all not linear. So that's another crack in the head. So to check the full spectrum of the RPM meter, I've rigged up also the variable resistor just to find out all the values. So some inconsistent there, um, but I think I'll be able to live with it. So once I've calibrated, as I know my drill will go at a maximum of 3000 on the sticker. So if I can get the matching RPM readout, get the correct voltage set on the, I should be able to find the resistance value straight away from the variable resistor and match that to the motor. So I think should keep it in the back just in case nothing better comes along. So though the voltage is created is correct, but the RPM dropped about what, maybe 200 RPM, I don't know, but I should be able to live with the inaccuracy of what, 500 RPM. I'll be happy with that. Get the resistance value now from the variable resistor. So select that to ohms, put it in. What, nothing? Yeah, that's what I suspected. It's almost 60, so it's about the same amount, same value as previous. So okay, so this is what's been going on throughout the whole morning or almost the afternoon, taking out the brake lines to find parts for it. As you can see here, it's not in good condition anymore. So, and also that is the front caliper, and the back hose also I can't get the some parts of it out, so I just took out whichever part I can, take it to the shop, hopefully to find some replacement for it. And balance of the time for this week, I'll just have to test out or spray up the part done last 2 weeks. Here's the finished, I think. Finished, yeah, it's finished definitely. The finished, this is the smaller parts, finished, or both of them. Then the fender is put up here with the support of the staircase for drying. So I hope it doesn't rain